Welcome to another GCSE Computer Science video with me, Mr Goff, for MrGoff.com. This video will focus on the use of records and SQL in databases. Databases are a form of storing data in tables that are made up of fields, sometimes referred to as attributes, under which data is stored. In our example member table, we can see that we have the fields ID, forename, surname, address, and email. A record is a single line in a database table. That is, the values for all fields in an entry. You can see outlined in red here, we have the record for Bob Dopolina. Structured Query Language, or SQL for short, is the language for searching a database for information. The search command has the format select, from, where. Let's take a closer look at how we apply each of these commands to search a database. Select can either be followed by star, which means all fields, or you can specify just the fields you want to see. From is where you specify the table or tables the data is stored in. In a database, data is often stored in several linked tables. However, at GCSE level, you will only be required to extract data from a single table. Where lets you specify criteria the data should match to be selected. If we look at some examples, select star from table members where ID is less than 10 would select all fields, that is ID, forename, surname, address, and email from the table members for all of those records where the ID is less than 10. This second example would only select the fields forename, surname, and email, so we wouldn't see the results for the ID field or for the address field. The command like can be added to a where criteria along with a wildcard symbol to search for part of a criteria. The most commonly used wildcard symbols are star and %. So select star from table members where email is like star@gmail.com would actually select all the records where the email address ends with gmail.com. The Boolean operators and, or, and not that we have covered previously can be used to make more complex searches. So for instance, select star from table products where type equals biscuit and price is less than 2 would select the records for all products in the table products where the type is biscuit and the price is less than 2. If just one of those conditions is true, then it wouldn't be shown. So biscuits that were worth more than 2 would not be shown, and other products that are worth less than 2 would not be shown. That brings us to the end of this video on records and SQL. Join me in the next video when I'll be taking a look at the use of arrays. Use the resources at MrGoff.com to help you revise computer science, and until next time, it's bye for now.